I feel like it might not be anything to some people, but for my type of guy, I appreciate little things. And little things go a long way for me. Throughout my stay in this house, Thelma has basically been giving me breakfast, if not breakfast, dinner, in one way or the other, and I appreciate it. It's not easy. I feel like she cares about me when it comes to that aspect. And I don't take it for granted. So when she was talking about favor, I felt some type of like, you are not supposed to be mentioning things like this. I have done favors too to you, for you too as well. I never mentioned it to the world to hear about it. So why are you mentioning it?
You know something? I don't think she's a very communicative person. I think she's a doing person. So she might not be able to tell you that she cares, but she might just show you that she cares. So the breakfast, the lunch, the this, maybe that's her own way of saying that she cares.
So going back to what happened yesterday on the dining table at the game too, they asked me, somebody did, I picked truth, then I think it was Scholar that asked the question that, Rooboy, if I still have the opportunity of talking to Thelma outside, will I ask her out? And I declined, I said no. So that was what I said too, and I just said no. And I was really like, I was pissed because, to be honest,
That's not the truth.
you don't even about the truth. She has actually killed.
The love you have.
She killed
like,
it.
At some point, it's like.
Because even also asked me a question that I felt irritated. She said, because I picked another truth, she was the one that asked me the truth, even though we are not talking, so that you can see the FMT's format. So she now said, why is it that the very first day I entered the house, less than 30 minutes, I was already professing that I love her. Was that my strategy? Was that genuine?
You came into the house and in less than 36 hours, you started confessing love to me. Was that part of a script or as part of like your strategy in the house, or were you being genuine in less than 36 hours?
I answered that was genuine. Because I feel like people are so funny that they feel like you can't actually like somebody. Yeah. So I felt some type of way. Till date, it's because of this girl. I cannot talk to other girls about relationships, you know. Not like I don't like other girls.
But it's like you've already
That's me, yeah.